You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this French psychoanalyst and political philosopher, etc., social activist, screenwriter, Felix Guattari. So that's the French pronunciation here. Let's break it down. Felix, okay, it's fine if you call him Felix, but if you want to make it more genuinely French, Felix Guattari, okay. Other videos on YouTube say Guattari. Where does that come from? No. Guattari, okay. Now, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say it as Felix Guattari or Felix Guattari, but not Guattari. You got this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.